Greetings, this is Ben with Thayer Dodge Jeep Ram. Let's take a look inside our 2024 Ram 2500. This vehicle comes standard with our 6.7 liter inline 6 Cummins turbo diesel. It also has power fold and telescoping mirrors for all of your towing needs, with the standard trailer sway control as well as the trailer brake. This truck only has 36,000 miles on it and can be yours today. Come visit Ben at Thayer Dodge Jeep Ram, located at 1303 North Main Street in Bowling Green, Ohio. Give me a call today at 419-352-5151.